Today we're making cherry bread. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today's a fun recipe because I thought I'd make something a little different, which is cherry bread. This bread is super easy. It's just a quick bread using maraschino cherries. Now, I had thought about making maraschino cherries, and from everything that I'm finding about making them, they seem a little hard to make. So that being said, I did go out and buy these. Don't forget the recipe is down there in the description, and it's really easy to follow along with this. Okay. I'm going to start off with my flour, add to that my dry ingredients, my baking soda, and then I am just using a pinch of sea salt. Now, if you are going to use regular salt, what I want you to do is use about a teaspoon of regular salt. That would be the equivalent. Now let's mix our wet ingredients together. We have our milk. Now here's something I'm going to do differently with mine, and I'll give you the option. This is olive oil. You can use half a cup of olive oil, or you can use a half a cup minus a tablespoon, and then a tablespoon of coconut oil. And you're asking yourself, well, why did I do that? And I'll be honest, I ran out of olive oil. I had the coconut oil on hand. And then 1 egg. While that's mixing, I'm going to add my sugar and vanilla. Now, if you want to learn how to make your own vanilla, just click that eye in the sky. It'll teach you how to make your own vanilla, or just go out and buy the best vanilla you can. Now, because I know me, I slowed this way down. So I'm going to take my flour mixture and go ahead and add that in. You want to mix that until it's just incorporated, and then we're going to add our maraschino cherries. Now my cherries were drained and then rough chopped, and I mean rough chopped. I didn't do anything special with them. Now remember to keep that cherry juice because we're going to be using it later. So I'm going to scrape the beater. Ooh, it smells really, really good. And I'm certain that you already guessed that my loaf pan has been greased. We're going to put this into the loaf pan. Now I'm going to put this in my 350-degree oven and bake it for about 55 minutes, or until a cake tester pressed down into the center comes out clean. Our bread is out of the oven. Really great. Now we're going to make a glaze for it. This is so cool and so easy. Add these ingredients in this order. Well, the first two you can add in any order. I have my butter, powdered sugar, adding these two together. I should only have half a teaspoon of almond extract, but I have a whole teaspoon. Wasn't thinking until actually I poured it. Then I'm going to stir this. Yes, right away you're saying, well, that's just too dry and clumpy. All right, this is the juice from the cherries. We're going to use about half a cup of it, but put it in small increments because powdered sugar and liquids get all funny really quickly. Always add less liquid than what you think you're going to need. We're going to put our bread on our plate and then just drizzle this over top. Let's cut off a piece and give it a taste. That is super good. It is sweet. It is very cherry-like. It has the taste of maraschino cherries. So I mean, that sweet, really sweet cherry taste is all the way through this. It is mouth-watering, and I mean, it is super sweet and super good. I think you're going to like this. Now, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.